Tanggay mo ipahilot da frozen mo, frozen shoulder mo. Ayan. Maligam-gam. Ha? Parang nakakatukso ah. Wala, hindi ko nakita si ano. Oh, how are you ladies?
Fine. Hello. Good morning.
Fresh.
Fresh from the rain.
Hi, ate. Good morning. Hello. Hi, Anne. And ano? Good morning. Okay. Shalom, everyone. Funny things are ano? What?
Binghan mo.
Good morning, Ate Jane.
Yes, naka-video ka. Laway mo.
Naka-live yan.
Yeah.
Anong activities natin ngayon?
Eating.
Eating.
Akala ko Zumba.